once you start thinking in this way, once you start thinking, people call it lean, people call it just in time. There's a lot of different words for it. But once you start to have that kind of mindset, I don't think you can go back. Because I think you see the reality of it and how it can make your organization so much better that it just becomes the way that you begin to think about things and the way you begin to learn and grow individually as a person and as an organization, right? So once you go down this, it's difficult because people see the power in it and because they're engaged in it. So it's difficult to go back.